All right, this is like the coolest little gift for yourself or for that musician friend who loves playing the drums in the car. This is a vent mount clip, also adhesive mount cymbal. So if you play the drums in your car, you're gonna want that cymbal sound because that's the only thing that you're missing out of it. So you can hook this thing on to your vent and you can tighten it down to make it not move, and also use adhesive. And it has a little bit of a ball head, so you can adjust the angle of it there and also adjust the angle of it up here. It's easy to put together. It's basically all put together for you. And then, yeah, you have like this little cymbal that you can hit with your hand. Gives it a bit of a rattle, which is nice. And you get two of them, and it just makes it really fun to play and just jam out in your car. A great gift for someone, and also just really fun because that's the only thing missing when you're doing your drums in your car is the cymbals, and now you have them, and it works really well. It's very fun, really good quality. I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.